Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's Rugged Day today.
It is.
So, you still got the mo too.
I do. Well, for those that have been kicking around the shop will have noticed that I haven't been here for the last few days because I've actually, we had storms go through last Thursday through Melbourne and it's flared my asthma. Something shocking. So when you're focusing on just breathing in and breathing out, you don't tend to shave.
Fair enough. Just baby, yeah, exactly. Baby steps, Michael.
Baby steps. That's right.
I think I'm going to entitle this something like Justice Prevails.
Yeah.
Why would that be?
I think we're going to open some Justice coins.
I think so. I think this is all Scottsdale stuff as far as I'm aware. We've already opened this one so we know what's in there. So let's do that one.
So we're going to, we usually go,
yeah. Okay, hang on. Ready? There we go. Nice.
Alrighty.
Next time we'll do it so we make the box talk as you open the lids.
Excellent.
Cool.
So these are a Scottsdale production, and as everyone knows, Scottsdale produce some incredibly incredible stuff. So these are the Justice coins. Now these are a limited edition. From memory, the 1 ounce gold is limited to about 5,000, I think, but I might get Ruben, who's in the background, to check that for me.
Okay. Look at it. It's just schmick, isn't it?
It looks really good.
Yeah.
So over the page, you'll see it's actually Gibraltese.
Gibraltese.
Gibraltar.
Gibraltonian? Gibraltar.
I think we're making up words here.
Yeah, we are. We always do. Beautiful. So... okay, fantastic. So Scottsdale make these on behalf of?
Wow. Yes, they make them, well, these are a Scottsdale production, but made on behalf of Gibraltar.
Yep.
So Ruben's telling me that the 1 ounce are also limited to 1,000, which, and you'll see why I say 1,000 in a minute.
Really?
Or why I say also. Can you just confirm that for me, Rubes? Because I was sure it was a bit higher than that. No, it's 1,000.
Wow.
All right.
So there's only 1,000 of these
in
existence worldwide. These are beautiful coins too, aren't they? They're just made wonderfully.
They are. They're Scottsdale quality.
Yeah, absolutely.
Be aware of that.
Okay.
But the one that really excites me,
is
this one right here. So this is the 1/10 Justice.
I'll see.
So it's the same coin, smaller scale. But what really floats my boat on this is it's a 1/10 that's only limited to 1,000.
That's right.
So these have already sold out, as far as I'm aware, from Scottsdale. You can't get them anymore.
Except from bullionnow.com.au.
Bullion Now does. And we actually got, I think we got 100 of them. So we got like 10% of the worldwide production.
Wow.
So we actually scored really well with these.
That's cool.
But they are, if you're into gold coins, and these ones particularly, it's Scottsdale quality, grab them. But the 1/10, because it's at that cheaper end of the spectrum, they'll be hugely popular.
Yep.
And like I said, incredibly limited.
I'm incredibly surprised.
Yeah,
I'm going to say incredible a lot in this video, but I'm very surprised of the mintage.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it when they put out those figures, so that's why we grabbed them as many as we could.
Absolutely.
And like I said, I think we got about 100 of them.
And
so grab them while you can. They will not last long.
No. And what do I see lurking behind that?
So some platinum.
Is this an old favourite?
This is an old favourite. I'm just not sure, excuse me, I'm struggling to breathe a little bit.
That's okay.
I'm just not sure of the year on these, so I need to check to make sure.
Sure.
Yeah. So these are the Victory, the Wing Victory through Harmony.
Yep.
And the year, this one's loose, so I'll be able to check straight off that one. They are, come on guys, 2021s.
Okay.
So these are the old favourites.
Yep.
So if you're after some platinum, and obviously I'm the wrong person to talk to about platinum because I love platinum.
Biased. You are biased.
I'm incredibly biased.
At the moment, that is.
So do your own research. But if you come to the conclusion like me that platinum's a great thing to get into at the moment, then these are a good coin to get into.
Absolutely. That's just
so they are back in stock.
Fantastic.
Looks like we've got 20 or 30 of those. So they won't last long, but they will last a little while. So don't panic on those.
Let's do this. Let's do that one.
That one there.
Yeah, let's do this one.
Let me get that out the way for now.
All right. Let's see what we have.
So I apologise for not using any of my new knives.
That's okay. My appendages are far enough away.
Suitably distanced.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at that. I just love, I say it every time, I love that box.
The Scottsdale stuff, they really are
They've got
a premium
They got
brand.
their S together, mate.
Yes, they absolutely do. Whoop.
That's all right. I'll just give him a compliment. That's all right. I've given the old,
Please wait a moment.
the old 2 minutes. Do you mind?
Yeah. All right. So even their cardboard box,
Yeah, exactly.
they just finish it so well.
Exactly. Yep, absolutely. It's just looking silverish.
This is looking very silverish.
Okay.
Let me get those out of the way. I'll open one of these. I reckon you'll like this one.
Yeah. Why is that?
Because this is the same as we just looked at in the gold,
Oh, okay.
but this is the Silver Justice.
Ooh.
And that mirrored, Matt's got a name for it, and I can't remember what it is when it's a blank background. But yeah, they've used the space
mate.
really well.
Yes, that is really cool.
And it's got that three-dimensional look that you don't get in the gold.
I'm going.
So,
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
is it Lady Justice on this one? I can't remember her name properly.
Right.
But she's three-dimensional. She pops out of the coin.
Wow.
So it just looks brilliant.
Yeah, I'm just moving the camera around. That is cool. The way the light refracts reflects, however you want to call it. That is. I'm gonna put my foot down and say I like the silver better than the gold. I think it pops.
Yeah,
I like that. That's really cool.
it is.
Nice. And we have a bunch of those.
We do. We have a number of them, about a couple of thousand of them.
Okay.
Which sounds like heaps, but actually won't be. They'll go fairly
they'll go
quickly.
quick. They always do.
In the grand scheme of things.
Yep.
Be aware that they are naked. They are not coming with a capsule.
Okay.
So
The gold does?
The gold does.
Yep.
The gold comes encapsulated. The silver does not.
Did the 1/10? It did,
Yes,
didn't
the
it?
1/10 did as
Yeah.
well. So be aware that they are naked. If you're buying one or two, you'll find that invariably we capsulate them.
Yep.
Although I don't know how they go with size-wise with our capsules. They should be right.
That'd be right.
But if you're ordering 10 plus, expect them to come in a tube.
Yeah.
I'm not guaranteeing they'll come in a tube, but expect them to come in the tube.
Sure.
Okay.
All
I might
right.
actually leave that one there.
All right.
Can we open this one next?
Yeah, a little one. Sure.
Little fella next.
Beautiful.
And some rubbish left, right,
Is this
and centre.
Scottsdale?
I think this is Scottsdale.
Okay, cool.
This is very Scottsdale-esque.
Yeah. It could be maybe the same. More of the same.
I think I've super glued it down.
Watch that hand, please.
It's a box within a box and a bag
always.
within a box.
Yep.
Good grief.
What?
Looking good. All right,
What's
so
this?
we've got all sorts of yummy platinum in here. This
Cool.
is really going to float my boat.
All right, so this is not Scottsdale.
It's not Scottsdale. No, actually, this isn't Scottsdale.
This isn't Scottsdale at all. Oh, hang on. Should we be...
You want me to tuck this away for another unboxing, a platinum unboxing?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right. Just bear in mind, if you're watching this, we do have the platinum back in stock.
Yep.
And we'll show you exactly what it is.
Yep.
It's more of the old favourites.
Okay.
So I don't think there's anything stunning in there
Okay.
from that perspective, but it's good to have the old favourites back in stock.
So let's see what the blazes this is. And put this with Scottsdale. I'm going to go back a little, not to reveal, I don't want to reveal a big secret or anything. Oh, another box within a box. Yay.
Yeah, I am going to have a quick sneak at this one because I actually don't know what's in here.
Yeah, literally no idea.
It's not what I thought it was.
No? What? What is this?
How would you know that?
Do we even know? Well, it's not
Scottsdale,
It's not Scottsdale, right?
It's not Scottsdale.
Shall we just open it and find out?
Yeah, give them a sneak preview.
Why not?
Because it's in a very Royal Mintish box.
It is a Royal Mintish, but I don't know if it's Royal Mint.
Yeah, well, normally Royal Mint label their boxes properly.
Yes,
this
they
one's
do.
not. So
That's right.
They've all popped.
Oh, I think we've had these ones
these
before.
are Shreks.
Oh, we've got more Shreks.
More Shreks.
Oh, cool.
So for those that aren't aware, we can tack this on the end.
Yeah, we'll put it on the end.
So this is the Christmas Shrek that we got in.
Yeah.
So it's got Shrek with Donkey sitting on his head and with Puss in Boots sitting on Donkey's head, placing, I'm assuming, a star, but I've never looked close enough.
Let's go with that.
Or possibly the gingerbread man.
Sure.
On the top on the top of the Christmas tree.
Very cool.
So a really good fun one for the kids or for Christmas or that type of thing. You want to give some silver away over the festive season.
Yep.
A great one to do.
Speaking of...
But probably not one I'd call an investment grade, just a good bullion coin.
Correct, yeah, that's right. Nice and fun.
Yeah.
Speaking of Christmas, are we coming up close to some kind of cutoff where we say to people, we're not doing any more shipping after a certain date?
Yeah. So, look, we will shut down our dispatch centre as of the 15th.
Okay.
The last freight will go out on the 15th because we don't want things...
So the last freighting day will be the 15th?
Will be the 15th.
Okay,
we don't want things sitting in dispatch centres all around the country or all around the world. So the 15th will be the cut-off. They will come back online again on the 11th of January.
If someone wanted because we're not guaranteeing any... Are we guaranteeing at the moment any parcels going out from today?
Oh, look, I'll guarantee they'll go out.
Yeah, go out.
I won't guarantee they will arrive prior to Christmas.
All right.
They should do.
Yeah.
But the freight system is under the pump all around the world.
Yes.
Both for inwards and outwards goods.
Yep.
So, we always get a bit hairy in this time here. I don't like it when people say, I've got to have this for Christmas because there's no guarantees at this point. What
is the order cut-off date for people to order before the last freight day in order for them to go, look, I might get it before Christmas?
You need to have your order in and paid for and cleared by like the 13th or 14th of December.
Okay.
And then it'll be picked and dispatched on the 15th.
Yep.
So, yeah, please don't expect anything after that because you're going to be disappointed.
Alrighty. But, it's not disappointing. An epic unboxing. And the bullionnow.com.au website is also not disappointing because we have the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide. From Melbourne in Australia, that was an epic Scottsdale Justice Prevails unboxing. I love that Justice coin.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Get the 1/10 in particular. Get them all. Just buy them all. Buy them all.
The silver's limited to 50,000.
All right.
We've got a couple of thousand, like I said, but I can't see me bringing in any more.
Yep, fair enough.
So, grab them while you can. The 1/10, absolutely grab that one because that'll be red hot.
Done. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.